morning, class. I am your
Good morning,
teacher.
ma'am.
And today I'm going to teach you how to make diyas from clay. But before we start making it, who is going to tell me why we use diyas? Ma'am, can I answer your question? So, people believe that the ghee or oil in diya signifies negativity in your mind and the wick symbolizes your soul. By lighting the diya, you dispel negativity from your mind and soul. This way, diyas symbolize the triumph of light over darkness. Absolutely right, Elsa. You are correct. So this is why we use diyas. Now kids, I'm going to teach you how to make diyas from clay and then how to paint it also. Let's begin, kids. Let me first sit there. Now let me remember what ma'am had said. Ma'am had said, take this clay and mix it with water and then make it soft and mold it in the form of diyas. Hush, thank God I remembered it. Let me begin now. Look at Elsa. She remembers every step what ma'am had said. I don't want to be behind Elsa. I want to do the best diya. I'll just start making it. I also remember the process. Mine is going to be the best. No one's is going to be better than mine. My clay is already so soft and I know how to make it. I've already made it once. I'm going to be the best. I'm sure about it. Oh no! Look at everyone. They're so confident they're going to make it and they remember all the process. My clay is so hard. How to make it soft? What did ma'am say? I'm scared. I don't want to lose this time. I want to be the best too. See? My clay is already so soft. I know. My diya is now going to be the best. Better than Elsa. See, Elsa? You are going to lose now. You're going to come second. Oh yeah? You're going to be second. Mine is already done. And my diya is going to be better than yours. I'm sure. See? I'm the best. You lose now. Well done, kids. I can see everyone has followed my instructions and made beautiful diyas. I'm proud of you. Now to make it more pretty, we have to paint it. And I'm going to help you on painting the diyas. Okay? Let's begin.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Now let me check. Wow, Elsa, I just love the way you have made your diya. Amazing work, Elsa. Anna, wow, your color combination is as the theme. Diwali theme, well done. Thank you, ma'am. Sheldon, I didn't expect this from you. This neat way of making diya and the color is so bright. I love it. Amazing. Thank you, ma'am. I love the corners as well. Well done, Sheldon. I'm proud of you. Elizabeth. Wow, Elizabeth. You are so small and you made it so perfectly. Amazing work. Kate. Wow, your diya looks like a flower. I'm so proud of you, Kate. Well done, class. I didn't expect. I taught you only once. I'm proud of you and everyone from my class and myself. Happy Diwali, kids!